Today we're talking about online reputation management, or ORM. Whether you're an individual or a business, your online reputation matters. Let's break it down simply. What is ORM? ORM is about controlling how people see you online. It involves monitoring what's said about you, identifying positive and negative content, and responding appropriately. Monitoring: keep track of what people are saying about you on social media, review sites, and blogs. Identifying: spot both good and bad mentions. Positive comments are great, but pay attention to negative ones too. Responding: how you reply is crucial. Thank people for good comments and handle bad ones professionally. Why is ORM important? A good online reputation can help you get jobs, grow your business, and build trust, while a bad reputation can hurt you. Search your name or business on Google. This shows you what others see when they search for you. Use tools like Google Alerts to stay updated on new mentions so you can respond quickly. Interact on social media, respond to comments, and address concerns. Share positive content regularly to push negative content down in search results. Managing your online reputation takes effort, but is worth it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. For professional help, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Stay positive online.